of the storytelling competition in this class is Lina. Congratulations, Lina.
Congratulations, Lina.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Lina, because you are the winner of the storytelling competition in this class, you will represent this class for the storytelling competition of our school next month. Prepare your best for the competition, will you? I hope you win the first prize too. Good luck.
I hope so too, ma'am. Yes, I'll do my best.
Lina, you are a very good storyteller. Sure, we will win the school storytelling competition. Good luck.
Thank you, Edo.
Congratulations on being the champion of the class, Lina. I hope you will be the winner of the school competition too.
Thanks. I hope so too.
Wow, Lina, I'm happy for you. Congratulations. I hope you win the first prize in the school's competition.
Thank you. Wish me luck.
Of course. Good luck.
Thanks.
You are amazing, Lina. Congratulations. It's your dream to be the winner of the school storytelling competition, isn't it?
Yes, it's my dream. And I have practiced for the last 2 months with my dad. Sure, you have to work hard for your dreams. Good luck.